You know, we've seen Amber Alerts work, not just here, but across the country. But what if there were a way to alert all of Metro Detroit within seconds about a child who's gone missing? Well, now a new website and app are helping to make that happen. And this morning we're talking with John Guyton, who is the founder of Lassie Project, and T. Shanui. Did I say that right?
You did.
Close enough. Co-founder. Thank you both so much for being here. There is nothing more horrible, more horrible thought for a parent than to have your child go missing and not know where they are. How did you get the idea for this special app?
So it started with a 10-year-old girl by the name of Jessica Ridgway, who was abducted in Colorado and later found murdered. And, you know, I'm a father. I've got 3 kids of my own. And so, you know, we got together and said, look, we need to create something better than what's out there now. We need a new standard to find missing children, period. And so
we think of the Amber Alert, which most communities now use, and in Michigan now there's a text message with an alarm kind of system now that they've just started implementing. What do you see as being the weakness with the Amber Alert system? Why was something else needed?
Right. I would say one thing is time. Right. So Amber Alert takes anywhere from 3 to 12 hours to be issued. And when it finally does arrive, there's no picture, right? There's no pertinent information or last known location. Additionally, it goes out to the entire state. So people have a hard time understanding that they can actually help when a person went missing in the south side of the state and they're in the north side of the state, for example.
That's amazing. So tell us how it works. So you create a profile, right, for your child, and then if your child goes missing, you notify Lassie Project, and everyone who's connected with Lassie Project gets a picture, a profile, description.
Right. We can send out a photo as well as a map of where the child is, and people can know that within seconds via SMS. And then they can form this instant search and rescue party to go and find the child. Wow.
So it sort of works like it's like a highly localized effort.
Exactly.
Instead of just sending it out across the state or across the country, it's people who are where that child is or was last seen are immediately notified.
Yeah, it might be an 8-block radius. Right, where people in that 8-block radius are the ones that are most likely to help find that child. So let's let the information be released quicker and to a smaller, hyper-local group of people. And that increases the odds of finding that child quickly.
That's amazing. It really is. I think it sounds like a great idea. Are you working with police departments now? How do they feel about this app, and are you working in cooperation with them?
Absolutely, yeah. So we're endorsed by almost 20 police departments around the country. And absolutely. So when people call the police for a missing child, they don't know if the child's hiding in a clothes hamper or if it's a serious abduction. The first thing that they're going to do is ask, have you talked to friends and family? Have you talked to close neighbors? And with Lassie Project, parents can have already done that, so they can really escalate the process.
Right, and very quickly, if somebody's watching and is interested in finding out more and signing up for Lassie Project, how do they do that?
So really simple. They just go to the website, lassieproject.com. We also have an app in the App Store, both Android and iOS, and they just sign up. It's a really, really quick process. And I want it to be known that whether they have children or not, every person that joins Lassie Project contributes to keeping children in their community safe.
Right. And Lassie, of course, for the dog that helped find people when they went missing. Thank you so much for being here, John Guyton and T. Shanui, founders of Lassie Project.
Thanks for having us.
Great project. Thank you so much.